All right, you guys, I'm gonna remove the film in a very simple way that most beginners can do. So I got some trash bags here, some large trash bags.
The cheap thin ones.
Cheap thin one from
yep.
from Dollar General. And I have some awesome from Dollar General. So together it's probably about
Dollar Tree,
yeah,
99-cent store, wherever you are.
Wherever you want to go. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I gotta take the bag and make it spread over the whole window. So I'm just gonna cut this part off here, throw that away, turn it around, cut this part off, throw it away, then I'm gonna open the bag up. Okay. Open it up. Okay. Now I'm gonna split the bag like this. Okay, so I split the bag. The bag is split. So the bag is gonna go over this whole thing here. There we go. Then I just probably just cut off a little piece because I want it to go even. Cut off a little piece. Now I'm gonna go on the inside. Okay, so now I'm gonna just put water on it.
So we removed the brake light.
Remove the brake light. So I'm soaking it down with water. Now I'm gonna take the plastic bag and I'm gonna place this here. There we go. Okay, there we go. Put some more water, because I want it good and hot. Go up here. Okay.
Okay, so this is just soapy water first.
Soapy water first to get it loose. And the window is very hot. So
best to do outside, not in a garage.
Yeah. So the tint between the plastic and the film is heating up because it's so hot. So there we go. So now, there we go. There we go. So now it's heating up. All right, now I'm going outside and heat it up a little bit. It'll start bubbling.
Okay, so you can use a heat gun or a torch.
It's best for beginners to use a torch.
A torch is better for beginners?
Gun.
Okay, heat gun. But after 40 years experience with Paul Alex here, he prefers the torch.
So it's bubbling, it's getting hot. So it's separating. See how it's separating? It's loosening up. You know, something how it's spreading. Watch this here. See how it's spreading? He's gonna do the same thing, it just takes longer. Torch accelerates everything. And sometimes I cut the car on, cut the defrost on, which I might do.
Now a few safety tips if they do want to try with the torch.
Just keep moving the torch. Just move it around. And you fill the window every once in a while to see how hot it is. But you don't want to keep it in one spot. You want to keep moving it around. See how it's bubbling? That's my goal, to make it bubble up. Put some more water in now. Soak it with water because the water helps the glue get weak. There we go. Good and soaked. Now I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna get behind the film. Take my knife. Okay, like you gotta get behind this little part here and try to catch it all the way right here at the corner. You gotta get it under there. There we go. It still need heating up a little bit more, but it's still breaking apart a little bit. Our goal is to get all this here kind of weak. So we gotta go back and heat it up some more. Put a little bit more water here. And put the plastic there. And we gotta go heat that area up. Get right behind everything. Okay, looking good. Get it even, Steven. I think it's coming out pretty good. Okay. I'm keeping the water on it to keep the glue soft. To keep it going down in there like. There we go. Okay. Put a little bit more heat on it. I can pull it at the same time I'm heating it up. So I got my hand on one end. We want to show my hand on one end. And I'm pulling it at the same time. We want to show this now.
So it sounds like one of the keys is not to rush.
Yeah, you can't rush. You gotta go real slow with it.
Yep, because if you pull too hard, it'll break off.
Yeah. Okay. Turn this guy here. I'm gonna wet it because you got to go quick. If you wait a while, the glue ain't gonna come off. So that's why I had to go quick. I'm wetting it down now. And I get a little awesome and put on that too. Put a little awesome on now so the awesome will eat the glue up. It's strong, so you got to be able to handle the smell here. There you go. Okay, let it soak a little bit. Yep, it's strong. So I let it soak a little bit. Now I get me a towel. I gotta grab a towel. Okay, now I should be able to wipe it off now. It should come right off. Wipe hard. See the glue come right off. There we go, it's coming right off. Clean job. The key to it is to make sure the tint come off even and don't break. Somebody tried to remove the film at first. That's why you still have a little pieces of film right here. They had removed this little section, but I can get that off with a little razor blade. There we go.
As long as it doesn't touch the defroster lines.
Yeah, if you use the razor blade to try to do this way, you can mess the defroster lines up. Okay. Now I gotta clean it up real good. There we go, got a clean window.
Beautiful. Squeaky clean. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. There's another video on how to install the film on a back window, and check out our website tintwork.com/tint for all of our different choices of automotive and architectural films, and call 818-772-7711 to place your order. Mention this video for a free gift with purchase.